Hi guys, it's just a really quick one today. This is just a quick tutorial on how I mix my custom colour for my opal nails. So I'm going to be using some Mega White, Crystal Clear and Natural. I don't think I actually use that in this colour, but I use it in the nails. I've got some Barry M glitter, I'll put the details in the description. So I'm going to be popping some of that in the acrylic to give it a bit of a shimmer. And then I'm also adding in Nail Nails Lightning Blue and a tiny bit of lime green. So I'm going to start off with some Mega White because that's going to be the main colour. It's going to be a very, very pale blue. This is where I decided not to use natural. I'm like, what am I doing? So I'm going to add some Crystal Clear because I do want it to be slightly transparent. I'm just sort of eyeballing it. I'm not really measuring, so I generally don't. So this is the lightning blue. This is part of Nail Nails' neon range. So just add a little bit of that. Just sort of add it as I go, you know. This is the glitter. So I'm going to end up adding quite a lot of glitter because it wasn't shimmery enough. But it's better to add less now. You can always add more. You can't take it back out. So I'll just give that a nice little mix up, and then I'm going to test it on a plastic bag because I want to be able to see through the colour. I need to know if it is actually transparent or not, because if I do that on a piece of backing paper or something, I'm not going to be able to tell if I can actually see my nail through it. So I'll put it on a part of the packaging that I get from Nail when I do my orders. And that way I can hold that up and I can put it on my nail and have a look. So I find that a lot easier. So I'm just going to keep testing, keep adding colours. So I'll just let you watch the rest of the video. Like I say, this is just a quick one, so if you'd like to see a full tutorial on these nails, I do have a full video on the opal nails on my channel, so I'll leave a link in the description. If you like it, you know, feel free to drop me a like, and I'd appreciate a subscription if you can, because I don't have many followers at the moment. I do try and do tutorials every week, so if you want to follow me, follow me. But other than that, enjoy the video and I'll see you later.